humanoid robotics is attracting massive capital. Figure AI recently secured a valuation of $39 billion, and Aptronic raised $935 million. Companies like 1X Technologies, Agility Robotics, and NEURA Robotics are all growing rapidly, with combined valuations in the sector exceeding $85 billion in 2025. Yet, most of these opportunities remain locked behind private market barriers. Institutional investors and venture firms dominate these spaces, leaving retail participation nearly impossible. XMAQUINA is attempting to change that. The platform is building an on-chain system that acquires real equity in private robotics companies and creates a tradable market around those positions. At the center of this system is the DEUS token. DEUS is not just a governance token, it is the base asset that the entire XMAQUINA system is built around. It has three primary functions. First, it serves as the governance layer. Holders who stake DEUS receive XDEUS through a vote-escrowed model inspired by Curve's VCRV system. The longer you lock your tokens, the more governance weight you gain. Every treasury deployment, portfolio allocation, and protocol parameter change requires on-chain approval from XDEUS holders. No. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Capital moves without a vote. This creates a transparent and permissionless governance model. Second, DEUS is the base pairing asset across all on-chain markets within the Robotics Capital Markets, RCM Protocol. When the DAO acquires equity in a robotics company, DEUS is used to denominate and trade those positions. This allows for a liquid and permissionless market for private equity that was previously inaccessible to most. Third, DEUS is a coordination mechanism. It aligns incentives between investors, developers, and the DAO. Staking and active governance participation are directly incentivized. The DAO may distribute up to 40% of realized value to active XDEUS holders through multiplier-weighted governance rewards. This means that those who show up and vote are first in line when the ecosystem generates returns. The system is designed to ensure that governance is not just a formality, but a core part of the investment process. XMAQUINA's approach is structurally different from traditional investment DAOs. Instead of being a governance layer bolted onto a fund, DEUS is the base asset that drives the entire system. This means that every decision, from asset allocation to treasury management, is made on-chain and transparently. The implications are significant. If successful, this could open up private robotics investment to a broader audience. It could also create a new asset class within crypto, on-chain equity in real-world robotics firms. However, the system is still in its early stages. The RCM protocol is not yet live, and the market for private equity tokenization is still unproven. There are risks associated with investing in private companies through a decentralized system. The governance model is new and untested at scale. The value. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Of DEUS will depend on the success of the underlying investments and the health of the governance process. The next signal to watch is the launch of the RCM protocol and the first on-chain equity acquisition. If XMAQUINA can successfully tokenize and trade real-world equity in a transparent and efficient way, it could attract significant attention from both retail and institutional investors. The DEUS token will be a key indicator of the system's success. As the token is used in governance, trading, and coordination, its value and utility will be closely watched.